If your AI only answers questions, it is not doing the whole job. That is the practical difference between a chatbot and an AI agent. A chatbot is built for conversation. You ask something, it responds, and then it waits. That is useful for explanations, rewrites, brainstorming, summaries, and quick decisions. But the conversation is usually the product. An AI agent is built for workflow. It starts with a goal, makes a plan, uses tools or files, checks what happened, and decides the next step. That is why an agent feels less like a search box and more like a junior teammate. Here is the three-part test. First, is there a clear goal? Second, does the AI need tools, files, websites, databases, calendars, or apps? Third, does it need to check the result and continue? If the answer is no, use a chatbot. If the answer is yes, you probably want an agent. Example 1, what is an AI agent? That is a chatbot task. Example 2, research beginner AI agent questions, create a video outline, draft the description, make 3 shorts ideas, update my content calendar, and stop before publishing. That is an agent task. The difference is the workflow. Chatbots are best for thinking help. Agents are best for doing help. But agents need a safety rule. Do not give an agent unlimited permission to post, send, delete, purchase, publish, or change important information without approval. The safest pattern is simple. Let the agent prepare the work, then make it stop and ask before anything public, expensive, or hard to undo. That gives you the speed of AI without handing over the risk. So here's the recap. A chatbot answers, an agent executes. A chatbot is great for explanation, brainstorming, and drafting. An agent is better for multi-step workflows with tools, files, and checkpoints. And the best agent workflows always include approval gates. Simple rule. Chatbots help you think, agents help you finish. Follow Workflows with AI for practical AI workflows you can copy. In the next video, we will build a simple agent workflow step by step.